Hi, it's Mike with the Barbecue Depot. Today we're gonna go over why my burner is not lighting. So if you do hear a ticking noise, a spark, and your igniter's working and your burner is still not lighting, there's a couple of things that it can be. The first thing you wanna make sure is that your valve that's on your grill, you wanna always make sure that the orifice is inside the burner. That's very important. So that could be one of the reasons. The other reason could be you might have to adjust the air adjustments on it. So every burner has adjustment. There's cast brass, there's a cast iron. Usually like this is kind of how you do that. And then if you have a stainless pipe burner, it's usually right here. All of them are usually a Phillips head. And if you have a cast iron burner, you just loosen this nut and this is your air adjustment, which will move it back and forth. So typically on a propane grill LP, it would be about half open to full, where if you do a natural gas, it should be halfway closed or close to too close. So that should give you some good remedies on how to get your grill burner lit. If it's still sparking, but it's not lighting and none of the flames go all the way around, the air adjustment is probably the most important, and make sure that the orifice goes over the burner. If you have any questions about any of this, you can call us toll-free, 877-983-0451, or you can contact us at thebbqdepot.com. Thanks.